Hi, everyone. It's Jean Kuhn. And for the next 7 days, this group is going to be dedicated to the Facebook Live video challenge. Be seen as the expert in your industry. Now, since March 23rd, this group has been known as the Strategy Sphere. And since I've done the Facebook Live challenge a couple times before, I wanted to do it for the business owners that were in the strategy sphere. But as long as I was doing it, why not open it up to other business owners? So I decided to kind of combine two Facebook groups into one. And honestly, if you're new to this, this is the Facebook group that you should be in as far as the Facebook Live challenge. If you've already been part of the strategy sphere, hang on. You know, for the next 7 days that our training will be all on the Facebook Live challenge. Now, those of you who are just joining, you don't know what the hell's going on here, right? So here's what I'd like to just come in, look around, meet some people, introduce yourselves. But for the next 7 days, the training will all be on Facebook Live. After that, you are so welcome to stay. I started this Facebook group on March 23rd, 2020, right when the country was being locked down. And honestly, it was to help small business owners save their business, right? I've been an entrepreneur and an entrepreneur for 35 years, but I've actually been helping small business owners in their business for 30 some years. So, but let me just say this, I didn't do it professionally until about 2006. So right now I'm helping in the strategy sphere, small business owners really move their businesses forward, stay active, stay working, make connections, and things are going great in this group. You are welcome to stay. We would love to have you participate. And here's what you get for that. It's completely free, and every day I am doing a strategy training. It's usually between maybe 15 and 30, 45 minutes. Watch what you can, take what you want. It's here for you. There is no charge. And the worst thing that's going to happen for you is you're going to make more money, because you guys know that I'm all about turning around your businesses and increasing your cash flow fast. So welcome. I'm happy you're here. You're right where you're supposed to be. Have a good day.